Hi children, welcome back to our Hindi class. In our previous class, we learned consonants. That means Vyanjan. First line of consonants. That is Ka varg. Which are they? Ka, 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 Kha, Nga. One more time, louder. Ka, Kha, 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 Nga. Okay? Ka se Kamal. Kamal means lotus. Kha se Khajur. Khajur क्या है? Khajur means dates. Ga se Gamala. Gamala means Gamala क्या है? Gamala means flower pot. Then Kha se Khadi. Khadi means clock. Then last letter Nga. There is no words start with letter Nga. Okay children, today we are going to learn the second lines of consonants, that is Cha varg. The first letter of Cha varg is Cha. What is the letter? Cha. Cha se Chammach. Cha क्या है? What is this? What is this? This is a spoon. A spoon. That is Cha se chammach. Chammach means spoon. Cha se chammach. Chammach means spoon. Okay children? Then let me write the letter. Okay. Okay, please listen. Like this. Then one more line here. One sleeping line. All of you take your rough book and write. This is letter Cha. One sleeping line like this. One standing line. Again one sleeping line. Then we are going to learn the next letter. The next letter is Cha. Okay. Cha se Chadi. Chadi means stick. This is letter Cha. Okay. Like this. Then one more line here. This is letter U. Okay. Then reverse. Like this. A small zero like. Then one. Number 1. Push number 1 or slanting line. Then one sleeping line. This is letter Cha. This is letter Cha. Okay children? Look, Cha se Chammach. Chammach means spoon. Then Cha se Chadi. Chadi means stick. Okay? Okay children, that's all for today. Thank you.
Today I am going to teach you the sixth consonant in Devanagari script. It's called Cha. You will learn how to pronounce this alphabet, how to write this alphabet, and the 3 words starting with this alphabet. Cha is a palatal sound, which means Cha makes a sound that comes from the palate of the mouth. This area. You must be wondering, what is palate? The palate is the ridge in our mouth just above the top row of the teeth. The tongue should touch the palate briefly. See over here. So when you say ch, the tongue has to touch the palate briefly. In Hindi, we call it talu dhwani. Talu means palate. Ch is quite easy to pronounce. It's just like the ch in church or chin or cheese. So it's a very easy to pronounce alphabet. When you say these words, try to notice that the main body of the tongue touches the hard palate in the articulation of the sound. Hard palate is the middle part, this area of the roof of the mouth. Ch is an unaspirated sound. As I told you earlier, no aspiration means no puff of breath when you say it. So if you put your finger in front of your mouth and say ch, you will feel very little breath coming out of your mouth. Now I'm going to show you how to write this alphabet. To write this alphabet, we have to follow 4 steps. Step 1, draw a sleeping line, short sleeping line. Then draw a curve like this. Step 3, draw a standing line joining the curve. Step 4, our horizontal line on the top covering the alphabet, as we do for all the alphabets in Hindi. So don't forget the hanger. Let me just try and write this again for you. Sleeping line, curve, standing line, and the line on the top. And ch is ready. Let's look at the words that start with the alphabet ch. First picture, this is called chabi. Chabi means key. Ch, chabi. Second one is cheeti. Cheeti means ant. Cheeti means ant. And the third one here, chammach. Chammach means spoon. It's time to say ch with me 3 times. Let's say it together. Ch, ch, ch. 7th consonant in Devanagari script, ch. You will learn how to pronounce ch is a palatal sound and an aspirated version of the previous sound ch. Ch is a hard sound. Ch has no equivalent in English, so it can be a little tricky. But remember that there is a prominent h sound in the N, which is the result of the aspiration when you speak ch. If you put your hand in front of your mouth, you will feel the breath escaping from the mouth hitting your hand. Say ch, ch, ch. The tongue seals the air behind it by lying around the roof of the mouth, and that seal is broken by the consonant ch. यह एक तालु ध्वनि है. That's how we say that in Hindi. तालु ध्वनि. तालु ध्वनि means palatal sound. तालु ध्वनि. Ch is similar to the ch in church, cheese, chat, but with the release of breath or aspiration. There should be a puff of breath when you say it.